What is going on, guys? It's Cesar here. I hope that you are doing awesome. And today I'm very excited because I have a really good information. I'm going to show you how you can make money with cryptocurrency without buying coins. So, with that being said, guys, I'm here to help you and teach you how you can add another stream of income. And we're going to combine two topics here: the cryptocurrency with affiliate marketing. And so we're going to visit some websites, for example, crypto.com, binance.com, and Coinbase. I'm going to change the color and we're going to find the page for affiliates. So basically you need to read the information about the affiliate terms of every exchange. These are exchange. And the strategy, guys, is that we need to sign up for this exchange, and there are many more, but these are some examples. And we need to create a landing page. For this we can use get response, collect the lead, and then when you sign up for these exchanges, you are going to have an affiliate link. And so when you collect this lead, guys, you can send email, another email, and inside the email put, for example, your affiliate link number 1, number 2, and number 3. Okay, and right now, guys, we're going to jump to the Google Chrome website, and I'm going to show you, for example, this is the Binance affiliate program. You can register on this exchange and you can get your affiliate link. Also, if you go to crypto.com and scroll down below, you're going to see here an affiliate right here. You need to click here, read all the terms, and check if you want to become an affiliate for this exchange. Also, we have another exchange. This is Coinbase, and this is the affiliate web page, and you can see become an Coinbase affiliate. So you need to click here, read all the terms, so you can join this exchange and use the strategy that I taught you. Create a landing page, for example, get response, send traffic to the landing page, collect the leads, and when you have the leads, send emails about these exchanges, and you need to put your affiliate link for any of these exchanges, so you can make money with crypto without buying crypto, because if someone signs with your affiliate link, you're going to get rewards. So if you have any question, guys, let me know in the comments. Also, if you want to copy and paste my 3-step formula to make money online with affiliate marketing, I'm going to put a link in the description below of this video, guys. Click right there, over there, and we're going to stay in touch. So I hope that you stay safe and talk to you soon. Bye.